What if I told you that the most cutting-edge technology you've ever dreamed of was not born in the labs of today, but in the minds of ancient inventors thousands of years ago? Imagine a world where ancient thinkers crafted devices so advanced that they continue to puzzle modern scientists. Now that's a historical mystery worth unraveling. As we embark on this journey through time, we'll uncover technologies that seem to defy the era they were created in, crafted by civilizations whose feats have not only shaped the course of history but continue to inspire awe and curiosity. From the enigmatic Antikythera Mechanism to the indestructible Roman concrete, we'll explore a world of ingenuity that knew no bounds. Each invention serves as a reminder of the creative genius of those who came before us, challenging our perceptions and igniting our imagination. So, fasten your seatbelt for a slightly informal yet enthralling adventure into the past. You're about to discover 20 ancient inventions that were centuries ahead of their time, a testament to human innovation that transcends the ages. Stay with us, and you might find that ancient ingenuity holds more answers for our future than we ever imagined. Now turning to the Antikythera Mechanism, we step into the realm of ancient Greek innovation. This device, often hailed as the world's first known analog computer, is a testament to the astonishing complexity of Greek engineering. Designed over 2,000 years ago, it was used to predict astronomical positions and eclipses with a level of precision that astounds historians and scientists even today. Imagine a bronze instrument, intricate with gears and dials, hidden for centuries beneath the sea until its discovery in a shipwreck in 1902. Its origins remain shrouded in mystery, as no definitive records exist regarding its creator. This puzzle continues to intrigue researchers who speculate whether it was crafted by a single genius or a collaborative effort of the great minds of ancient Greece. The mechanism's significance lies not only in its advanced engineering, but also in its function as a tool that allowed ancient astronomers to track the cosmos. As X-rays and reconstructions reveal its inner workings, we begin to appreciate its role as one of the earliest known examples of computing technology. It's a window into the sophisticated understanding of mathematics and astronomy possessed by its creators, and leaves us pondering how such knowledge might have influenced technological advancements that followed. With the Antikythera Mechanism, we are reminded that the seeds of innovation were sown much earlier than we might have imagined, challenging us to consider what other ancient knowledge might remain undiscovered, waiting to inspire future generations. As we delve deeper into the legacy of the Antikythera Mechanism, its broader implications on navigation and astronomy come into focus. This ancient marvel was not just an isolated invention, but a precursor to remarkable technological advancements. The precision of its astronomical calculations provided a foundation for understanding celestial movements, which were crucial for early navigation. Imagine ancient seafarers utilizing such knowledge to chart their courses across unfamiliar waters, guided by the stars with a clarity few thought possible at the time. Scholars have long debated how the principles underlying the Antikythera Mechanism might have influenced the creation of later complex devices. Some believe it laid the groundwork for advancements in mechanical engineering, acting as a catalyst for the development of more sophisticated tools and instruments. Experts like Professor Tony Freeth suggest that the mechanism's intricate design reflects an advanced understanding of mechanical engineering that was, for many centuries, unmatched in Western civilization. This device continues to captivate researchers who speculate about the scope of its impact and the potential loss of similar ancient technological knowledge. What other inventions lost to time might have propelled humanity further at an earlier point? Such musings invite us to treasure and seek out the remnants of ancient wisdom, perhaps hidden beneath the sands of forgotten eras, which still hold the power to enlighten and inspire future innovations. Now turning to another ancient marvel, let's uncover the secrets behind the durability of Roman concrete. a material that has baffled scientists and engineers for centuries due to its impressive longevity. Unlike modern concrete, which tends to crack and degrade over time, Roman concrete has stood the test of centuries, leaving behind awe-inspiring structures that still stand today, like the Pantheon with its massive unreinforced dome. The secret lies in its unique composition, where volcanic ash, lime, and seawater create an ultra-durable bonding agent. This mix not only provided exceptional durability, but also allowed the structures to actually strengthen over time as they were exposed to the elements, especially water. This fascinating process is known as pozzolanic reaction, named after the city of Pozzuoli in Italy, where the Romans sourced much of their volcanic ash. In fact, when modern engineers compare Roman concrete with today's blend, it becomes apparent that the ancients had mastered a formula that was more environmentally friendly and sustainable, given its resilience and low carbon footprint. Exploring maps of Roman territories reveals the widespread use of this material, providing a testament to its effectiveness across various climates and conditions. As we delve deeper, one can't help but wonder if the rediscovery of these old techniques might hold the key to building more sustainable structures today. With Roman concrete's ability to endure for thousands of years, it offers an intriguing blueprint for future construction technologies, inviting us to learn from and perhaps revive these ancient methods. As the next challenge unfolds, researchers today are turning to the ancient marvel of Roman concrete in search of eco-friendly building solutions. Inspired by the extraordinary longevity and resilience of this material, scientists have begun conducting experiments to replicate the ancient methods used by the Romans. These endeavors focus on harnessing the beneficial properties of volcanic ash and lime, which form a naturally sustainable bonding agent. By studying the chemical reactions that occur within Roman concrete, particularly the pozzolanic reaction, modern researchers hope to create a version of concrete that not only matches the Roman blend's durability, but also reduces the carbon footprint of contemporary construction. This approach aligns with growing environmental concerns, as traditional Portland cement production contributes significant carbon emissions. By adopting ancient techniques, the construction industry could potentially develop materials that are less harmful to the environment. The insights gained from these studies are already beginning to influence modern construction practices. For instance, projects involving seawalls and other marine structures are incorporating volcanic ash into their concrete mixtures, resulting in cost-effective and sustainable solutions that mirror the ancient Roman success. As we look to the future, the potential impact of reviving these time-tested techniques is vast, offering the possibility of transforming building practices in ways that honor the ingenuity of ancient civilizations while addressing present-day environmental challenges. Now turning to one of the most enigmatic artifacts of ancient times, we delve into the mystery of the Baghdad Battery. Discovered in the region of Iraq, this intriguing object has sparked numerous debates and theories regarding its purpose and origins. Comprising a clay jar, a copper cylinder, and an iron rod, the Baghdad Battery resembles a primitive galvanic cell, a concept that seems far ahead of its time. Some historians speculate that these artifacts might have been used for electroplating, a process that involves coating objects with a thin layer of metal. This theory suggests that ancient civilizations could have harnessed the power of electricity long before it was formally understood. Another intriguing theory posits that the battery might have played a role in religious rituals, perhaps serving as a means to produce small electric shocks to awe or inspire worshippers. Experiments recreating the Baghdad Battery using similarly aged materials have demonstrated its potential to generate a small electric charge, lending some credence to these ideas. However, the true purpose of the Baghdad Battery remains elusive, with new interpretations and discoveries potentially waiting to redefine our understanding of this ancient enigma. As researchers continue to investigate, the Baghdad Battery stands as a tantalizing reminder of how much we have yet to learn about the technological capabilities of our ancestors. As the next challenge unfolds, we dive deeper into the debate surrounding the enigmatic Baghdad Battery. Historians and scientists are divided in their interpretations of its true purpose. Some experts argue against the electrical hypothesis, suggesting alternative views that range from its use in medical practices to more symbolic rituals. A prominent theory even proposes that the Baghdad Battery might have served as a simple storage vessel, becoming charged by contact with naturally occurring acids. Interviews with leading researchers highlight the complexity and diversity of opinions, illustrating how this ancient artifact continues to captivate modern minds. While some hold steadfast to the idea of its electrical use, others caution against overestimating its technological significance without further evidence. What's undeniable is the ongoing intrigue and the rich dialogue it sparks in discussions about the technological prowess of ancient civilizations. This lively debate not only fuels our curiosity, but also underscores how our understanding of history is always evolving. As the mystery of the Baghdad Battery persists, it challenges us to think creatively about the past and encourages a deeper exploration of human ingenuity. Moving forward to another remarkable ancient innovation, let's delve into Archimedes Screw. This ingenious apparatus, attributed to Archimedes of Syracuse, transformed the way water was managed and utilized in ancient times. The Archimedes screw operates through a simple yet effective mechanism, a helical surface inside a cylinder. As the device is rotated, water is captured at the lower end and elevated along the spiral to the top, illustrating a brilliant method of raising water with minimal effort. Originally devised for irrigation, this technology allowed ancient farmers to efficiently redirect water from lower ground sources to their fields, revolutionizing agricultural practices. However, its utility extended far beyond agriculture. The Archimedes screw found applications in shipbuilding, facilitating the removal of bilge water from the hulls of ships, thus ensuring vessels remained afloat and operable. Various cultures across history have adopted and adapted this device, each finding unique uses that showcase its versatility and enduring value. Today, the legacy of Archimedes screw can still be seen in modern water management systems, serving as a testament to the timeless ingenuity of ancient engineering. Now turning to the modern applications of Archimedes screw, this ingenious invention has continued to make waves in agriculture and industry even today. Modern farmers use this technology to irrigate fields efficiently, moving water from low-lying areas to where it's needed most with remarkable ease. Adaptations have allowed variations of the screw to power small hydropower plants, converting flowing water into renewable energy in a simple yet effective way. These plants harness the gentle movement of rivers and streams, providing a sustainable and eco-friendly solution for generating electricity. In addition to hydropower, variations of the Archimedes screw have improved waste management systems in many parts of the world. They help in transferring sludge in wastewater plants, showcasing the device's versatility and lasting impact. This continued relevance highlights not just the environmental benefits, but also the practical ingenuity that has allowed this ancient invention to remain a crucial tool in our modern world. By embracing this sustainable technology, we not only honor the resourcefulness of ancient engineers, but also contribute positively to today's ecological challenges, reinforcing the value of ancient insights in contemporary practices. As the next chapter unfolds, we dive into the fascinating world of Greek fire, a fearsome, formidable weapon that was the secret weapon of choice for the Byzantine Empire. Known for its terrifying ability to burn even on water, Greek fire struck fear into the hearts of enemy fleets during naval battles. Its composition remains a mystery to this day, though it is believed to have included a combination of substances like naphtha, quicklime, and sulfur. Imagine a liquid fire that could burn fiercely, spread rapidly, and was almost impossible to extinguish. This gave the Byzantines a strategic edge, especially during sieges, as their enemies were often left in disarray, grappling with the unstoppable blaze. The element of surprise and devastation Greek fire brought to naval warfare redefined marine combat tactics, making it a truly revolutionary innovation of its time. Historians and military experts continue to marvel at its effectiveness and the secrecy surrounding its exact formula, a closely guarded state secret that kept its enemies at bay. The legacy of Greek fire is not just one of destruction but also of ingenuity, a testament to the Byzantine Empire's advanced understanding of chemistry and military strategy. As we continue exploring ancient inventions, let us uncover more about how they shaped the world as we know it today. As the sun rises on the next chapter, we continue our exploration of Greek fire by delving deeper into the mysteries that surround its composition. Despite centuries of speculation, the exact ingredients of this potent concoction remain elusive. Historians and chemists alike have proposed various theories, suggesting that key components might have included petroleum-like substances or a form of naphtha, with quicklime and sulfur possibly adding to its fearsome effectiveness. The precise recipe, however, was a closely guarded state secret of the Byzantine Empire, passed down through generations of carefully selected craftsmen. This secrecy ensured that only a select few had the knowledge to produce it, preserving its terrifying mystique and strategic advantage in warfare for years. The mere mention of Greek fire was enough to instill fear in the hearts of adversaries, not just for its physical destruction but also for its psychological impact. This weapon's legacy extends beyond destruction, influencing medieval warfare texts and serving as a symbol of ingenuity and power in historical narratives. Its use redefined naval combat and tactics, showcasing the Byzantine Empire's sophisticated military strategies. The secretive allure and formidable reputation of Greek fire continue to captivate our imaginations, symbolizing the heights of ancient innovation and the mysteries history still holds. As we ponder these ancient secrets, let's turn our gaze to another remarkable invention that shaped the course of human history. With the next phase of the journey in sight, let's unravel the fascinating story of the world's first known earthquake detection device, the Chinese Seismoscope. This ancient marvel was crafted by the ingenious mind of Zhang Heng during the Eastern Han Dynasty. Imagine a time when understanding earthquakes was merely a dream, and yet Zhang Heng's invention brought that dream to life. The seismoscope was an elegantly designed apparatus featuring a large bronze jar adorned with 8 dragon heads. Each dragon held a ball in its mouth, poised to drop into the mouth of the toad below. When an earthquake occurred, the seismic waves would trigger a mechanism inside the jar, causing one of the balls to fall. Remarkably, this would indicate not only the occurrence of an earthquake, but also the direction from which the tremors originated. This was an extraordinary achievement, especially in a world where the science behind earthquakes was still in its infancy. The effectiveness of Zhang Heng's device in earthquake-prone regions was nothing short of revolutionary. It provided the ability to detect tremors from great distances, allowing for timely warnings and preparations. Such an advancement paved the way for future seismic studies, marking a pivotal point in the history of science. As we marvel at this innovation, it's essential to appreciate how Zhang Heng's visionary thinking laid the groundwork for the complex seismographs we rely on today. This story of the ancient seismoscope reminds us of the enduring power of human curiosity and the timeless pursuit of knowledge that transcends the bounds of time. As the next chapter unfolds, consider how Zhang Heng's pioneering seismoscope has influenced the evolution of modern seismology. This ancient invention was more than an innovative tool of its time. It was the catalyst that set the stage for the sophisticated earthquake detection technologies we use today. The foundational principles observed in the seismoscope, particularly its ability to detect seismic waves and indicate the direction of tremors, are surprisingly aligned with the core functions of modern seismographs. In the centuries following its creation, scholars and scientists have meticulously built upon Zhang Heng's ideas, progressively enhancing the accuracy and functionality of seismic instruments. Modern advancements have transformed these rudimentary designs, integrating complex technologies like digital sensors and computer software into today's seismographs. These advancements allow for precise measurements that predict tremors with remarkable accuracy and detail. What's truly fascinating is how Zhang Heng's work laid the groundwork for understanding the Earth's dynamic systems. His seismoscope opened a doorway to explore the causes and effects of earthquakes, prompting a deeper investigation into the planetary movements beneath our feet. This legacy continues to inspire contemporary research as scientists develop cutting-edge tools to minimize risks associated with natural disasters. As we reflect on the ancient seismoscope's enduring impact, it's clear that human ingenuity and an unyielding quest for knowledge remain at the heart of scientific progress. Moving forward, let's delve into another awe-inspiring example of ancient innovation, showcasing how civilizations long ago were not only inventive but profoundly ahead of their time. Now turning to Heron of Alexandria's remarkable contribution to early steam technology, we encounter the eolipile. This ancient steam-powered device, sometimes referred to as a whirlwind, offers a fascinating glimpse into the budding concept of mechanical power harnessed from steam. Heron's eolipile consisted of a hollow, spherical vessel mounted on a pivot. By heating water in an adjacent boiler, steam would travel through pipes into the sphere. As the steam exited through strategically placed nozzles, it created a reactive force, causing the sphere to rotate. This simple yet ingenious design laid the groundwork for steam power long before the advent of the modern engine. Although Heron's device was primarily a curiosity of the time rather than a practical machine, it demonstrated the potential of steam energy and how it could be utilized to produce motion. This concept hinted at possibilities that would not be fully realized until much later. Heron's eolipile was not just an isolated incident of ingenuity. It was part of a vibrant era of experimentation and learning where ideas flowed freely, setting the stage for future technological revolutions. By exploring Heron's contributions, we understand that the seeds of innovation often come from unexpected places. As we marvel at this ancient steam engine's simplicity and effectiveness, it invites us to reconsider the origins of technology we often take for granted today. This awe-inspiring journey through Heron's invention reveals how ancient wisdom continues to inform and inspire modern engineering. Moving forward, let's explore how this early exploration of steam technology left a legacy that would eventually shape the dynamics of an entire industrial era. Moving forward, Heron's steam engine presents us with a captivating what-if scenario. Imagine if Heron's eolipile had been more than just a scientific curiosity, but instead harnessed as a stepping stone toward an early industrial revolution. What might the world have looked like if the ancient inventors had grasped the potential of this device and developed it further? Perhaps factories powered by steam could have emerged in ancient Alexandria, revolutionizing production and setting humanity on a new technological trajectory centuries ahead of its time. The intrigue of Heron's invention lies not merely in its mechanics, but in the tantalizing glimpse it gives us into unrealized possibilities. This early exploration of steam technology, although not fully capitalized on until much later, laid foundational concepts that would eventually inspire inventors during the actual Industrial Revolution. Figures such as James Watt would stand on the shoulders of giants like Heron, turning the once speculative dreams of steam-powered machines into the engines that powered a new era. While the ancient world didn't witness an industrial metamorphosis, Heron's legacy remains a testament to the timelessness of innovation and the enduring impact of exploring the unknown. As we reflect on the potential lost opportunities of Heron's steam engine, we are reminded of how curiosity and experimentation fuel progress. This insight sets the stage for considering another inventive mind and their contributions. Now turning to the innovative mind of Leonardo da Vinci, we delve into the invention of the anemometer, a device designed to measure wind speed. Attributed to da Vinci, this invention stands as a testament to his forward-thinking vision and keen understanding of nature. In an era when the movement of air was a mystery, da Vinci's anemometer provided invaluable insights into the dynamics of wind, a force both feared and harnessed by sailors and farmers alike. With its simple yet elegant design, the anemometer opened new possibilities for observing and predicting weather patterns and laid the groundwork for modern meteorology. Imagine Da Vinci in his workshop sketching this device, capturing the invisible dance of the wind. His sketches, now iconic, reveal a man ahead of his time, envisioning tools that would unlock the secrets of nature. This primal understanding of wind dynamics not only aided in practical applications like navigation and agriculture, but also in philosophical musings about the forces that shape our world. By appreciating Da Vinci's contribution, we recognize how his exploration of the natural elements continues to influence contemporary technology. As we celebrate his ingenuity, we step back to consider how such pioneering inventions laid the early framework for the intricate systems we rely on today. As the next chapter of our exploration unfolds, let's delve deeper into how Leonardo da Vinci's anemometer influenced the evolution of meteorology. This intriguing device marked a pivotal moment in human understanding of the atmosphere. By measuring wind speed, it allowed scientists and thinkers of the time to grasp how atmospheric dynamics worked, laying the foundation for the weather forecasting systems we rely on today. Before this invention, predicting weather patterns was akin to navigating through uncharted waters. The anemometer provided an observational tool that transformed weather from an unpredictable force to something that could be studied and understood. It enabled ancient societies to make informed decisions about agriculture, shipping, and trade based on wind patterns. This was crucial in an era where these sectors were the backbone of economies. The importance of accurate weather predictions is something we often take for granted in our modern world. The humble anemometer, with its simple elegance, was indeed a game changer. It spurred the development of more advanced meteorological instruments, gradually evolving into the complex meteorology technologies we use today. From wind vanes to sophisticated satellite systems, the lineage of these tools can be traced back to Da Vinci's initial design. It's fascinating to think that a device conceived in the mind of a Renaissance genius continues to underpin the science of meteorology. As we appreciate the anemometer's role in historical and modern contexts, we understand more vividly how centuries-old innovations continue to shape our daily lives. With this newfound appreciation, we prepare to explore the next breakthrough in ancient ingenuity. Moving forward, we journey into the realm of ancient navigation with one of the most transformative inventions known to humankind, the compass. This unassuming yet revolutionary tool finds its origins in ancient China, around the Han Dynasty, when early navigators discovered the natural magnetism of lodestone. The compass they crafted was a simple yet ingenious device, typically consisting of a magnetized needle floating on water or suspended above it, aligning itself to the Earth's magnetic field. In an age where sea voyages and overland trade routes were fraught with peril and uncertainty, the compass became an indispensable navigator. It empowered explorers to chart courses across vast, uncharted territories with unprecedented precision, cementing its role as a catalyst for global exploration. But how exactly does this remarkable tool work? At its core, the compass operates on the principle of magnetism. Earth itself is a giant magnet with magnetic poles located near the geographical poles. The compass needle, magnetized to respond to the Earth's magnetic field, points toward these magnetic poles, enabling users to discern direction efficiently. This simplicity belied the profound impact it held over exploration and trade, allowing the mariners of medieval times to venture beyond the sight of land with greater confidence. Over the centuries, the basic design of the compass has undergone numerous modifications. From the early bowl compasses to the modern gyro compasses, each iteration enhanced accuracy, reliability, and ease of use, playing a pivotal role in shaping the course of human history. Envision how this technology, initially born out of curiosity and necessity, laid down the map for the age of exploration, driving humankind's relentless quest for discovery. As we contemplate this fascinating history, it becomes evident that the compass was not merely a navigational instrument but a beacon of exploration, guiding countless adventurers across the globe and leaving an indelible mark on the annals of history. With the compass's enduring legacy in mind, we prepare to unfurl the next chapter in our exploration of ancient ingenuity. With the next phase of the journey in sight, let us explore the profound impact of the compass on global navigation and exploration. This extraordinary tool transformed the very nature of travel and trade in an era where understanding direction was paramount. At the helm of this navigational revolution, the compass became the unsung hero behind some of history's most iconic voyages. Imagine the bold expeditions of explorers like Christopher Columbus and Vasco da Gama. The compass was central to their historic journeys across uncharted waters, enabling them to traverse vast oceans with newfound assurance. Beyond exploration, the compass played a pivotal role in trade, knitting together disparate regions into a burgeoning global network. Merchant vessels, guided by the steady hand of this device, expanded their reach, opening new markets and establishing trade routes that linked continents. The compass's influence extended beyond mere navigation. It served as a conduit for cultural exchange and communication, facilitating encounters between diverse civilizations. These interactions enriched societies with ideas, goods, and traditions that traversed boundaries, fostering a shared human experience. As we consider its lasting legacy, the compass stands not only as a testament to human ingenuity, but also as a symbol of unity, steering the course of history toward an interconnected world. Now turning to yet another fascinating relic of the past, we delve into the world of Peruvian trepanation techniques, where ancient medical practices reveal a sophisticated understanding of surgery and healing. With the next phase of the journey in sight, let's delve into the fascinating world of Peruvian trepanation techniques. Imagine a time when ancient Peruvians employed advanced surgical methods that still intrigue modern scholars. This practice, known as trepanation, involved creating surgical holes in the skull to treat injuries or conditions like seizures and headaches. Remarkably, it was not just about the procedure itself, but the level of understanding these ancient practitioners had achieved. They skillfully navigated the complex anatomy of the skull with a surprising degree of precision. Even more astounding is the evidence of a high success rate. Archaeological findings of preserved skulls reveal signs of healing post-surgery, indicating that patients often survived and recovered. These discoveries paint a picture of a society with sophisticated medical knowledge, centuries before the advent of modern neurosurgery. The ancient Peruvians' ability to perform such intricate operations speaks volumes about their medical expertise and the importance they placed on healing. It's intriguing to consider how these early surgical practices have influenced the development of modern medical techniques. As we continue to explore these relics of the past, we gain invaluable insights into the ingenuity and resourcefulness of our ancestors. Moving forward, let's uncover the marvel of the ancient Indian iron pillar, a testament to enduring craftsmanship and advanced metallurgy. Moving forward, the legacy of Peruvian trepanation techniques extends far beyond its historical roots, casting a long shadow over the field of modern neurosurgery and pain management. These remarkable procedures reveal a surprising sophistication in ancient medical practices that baffles today's experts. By deftly creating surgical openings in the skull, these early practitioners demonstrated an understanding of cranial anatomy and pathology that was astonishing for its time. The techniques they employed, though primitive by today's standards, show an intuitive grasp of the need to relieve intracranial pressure, a concept that forms the basis of many modern neurosurgical procedures. This ancient method of directly addressing symptoms like seizures and headaches points to a profound level of medical insight. Fast forward to today, the precision and caution exercised by these ancient surgeons echo in the meticulous procedures of contemporary neurosurgery. Understanding the brain's delicate structure and function is fundamental in today's medical practices, much like how the ancient Peruvians prioritized the patient's well-being during trepanation. Additionally, the influence of their pain management strategies cannot be understated. These early methods of alleviating pain set the stage for developing various techniques and approaches used in modern medicine. By examining these ancient practices, we gain a broader perspective on the evolution of medical science, appreciating how past innovations shape present-day advancements. As we unravel these threads of history, we realize that our perceptions of ancient medical knowledge must be adjusted to reflect the ingenuity and effectiveness of our predecessors. As the sun rises on the next chapter of this journey, we turn our attention to the Iron Pillar of Delhi, a silent testament to India's ancient mastery of metallurgy and resistance to the ravages of time. The marvel of the Iron Pillar of Delhi stands as a testament to the remarkable craftsmanship of ancient Indian metallurgists. This towering structure, over 23 feet tall, has endured the forces of nature for over a millennium, remaining largely rust-free. Its ability to withstand the test of time without succumbing to corrosion continues to intrigue scientists and historians alike. At the heart of this mystery lies the unique metallurgy that sets the Iron Pillar apart. Composed primarily of wrought iron, the pillar's construction showcases an advanced understanding of iron forging techniques that were centuries ahead of their time. The iron employed in the pillar's creation is characterized by a high phosphorus content and the absence of sulfur and manganese, which together contribute to its impressive resistance to rust. This specific combination of elements forms a protective passive layer on the surface known as mesowite, which effectively shields it from the harsh elements. Scholars and metallurgists have debated how such advanced knowledge of material science was achieved so long ago. Some suggest that the production of such non-corrosive iron may have been a product of deliberate experimentation, while others believe it might have been an unintended result of the traditional iron smelting processes of the time. The construction methods are thought to involve a combination of hammering and welding techniques, reflecting a high degree of manual skill and technological innovation. Beyond its composition and construction, the Iron Pillar's age-old legacy inspires current metallurgical research, as modern scientists strive to replicate its rust-resistant qualities to develop new, sustainable materials. This ancient wonder not only illuminates the past achievements of Indian civilization, but also guides the future of corrosion-resistant technologies. With the next phase of the journey in sight, we will uncover these lessons as we explore how the study of the Iron Pillar continues to shape modern metallurgy. As the next chapter unfolds, we delve into the profound impact that the study of the Iron Pillar has had on contemporary metallurgy. This ancient marvel has become a beacon of inspiration for scientists striving to understand and harness its rust-resistant properties. In recent years, extensive research into the Iron Pillar's composition has led to significant advancements in developing corrosion-resistant materials. Engineers and metallurgists have focused on replicating the specific high phosphorus content found in the pillar's iron, which has been instrumental in creating modern alloys that resist oxidation. These studies have not only deepened our comprehension of ancient metallurgical techniques, but have also paved the way for innovative applications in today's construction and manufacturing industries. By emulating the pillar's unique composition, modern technologies aim to enhance the lifespan and durability of steel structures, thus reducing maintenance costs and environmental impact. Furthermore, the iron pillar's enduring legacy continues to inspire sustainable practices by encouraging industries to revisit and adapt ancient methods for contemporary challenges. This confluence of historical insight and modern science demonstrates how the lessons of the past can effectively inform and propel future technological developments. As we reflect on these contributions, it's clear that the iron pillar's legacy extends far beyond its physical presence, shaping the ongoing evolution of metallurgy in profound and lasting ways. With the next phase of the journey in sight, let's reflect on the remarkable technological feats that ancient civilizations achieved, serving not only as monuments of their time, but also as wellsprings of inspiration for our modern world. From the enigmatic Antikythera Mechanism, which challenged our understanding of early computing, to the enduring wisdom embedded in the rust-resistant iron pillar, these inventions highlight the ingenuity and foresight of our ancestors. Each innovation we've explored demonstrates how ancient minds, through creativity and necessity, crafted solutions that were not just practical but visionary. These achievements remind us of the potential humanity holds to solve complex problems, often by looking to the past for guidance. As we stand on the shoulders of these historical giants, we find that their influence continues to shape technological advancements in countless ways, encouraging us to blend ancient wisdom with modern tools. So, what other ancient secrets might still be waiting to inspire the next wave of innovation? We invite you to ponder this question and explore further with us. If you've enjoyed this journey through time, don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating insights into how our past informs our future. Let's continue to unravel the mysteries of history together.